more on the yellow, but I won't actually do anything on the green until next week.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll just do a bit more on the yellow.
Perfect. I'll do more yellow, yeah.
Hi Gemma, I just wanted to say how much I enjoyed doing the online workshops, and we did so many different techniques from watercolours, drawing with a biro, a felt tip, just a pencil, oil pastels, acrylics, chalks. I mean, it was just such an amazing experience, and I learned so much, especially with a felt tip, that you could draw such good pictures. The classes have been very restful. You can just lose yourself in the moment, and Gemma is such a good teacher, which is obvious from the results of some of these pictures, because I hadn't done art for 50 years when I started joining her workshops. So because Gemma goes through each step very carefully and makes the classes so easy and fun, it's art for anybody.
Really lovely seeing all of you, and well done for tonight, and I shall look forward to seeing your stuff next week.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye. Thanks.